Meet the 2026 Ford Mustang Eleanor, the legend reborn in beast mode. The Ford Mustang Eleanor has been a legend ever since it stole the show in Gone in 60 Seconds. For years, enthusiasts have dreamed of getting their hands on a real-life version of this iconic muscle car. Well, the wait is over. The 2026 Ford Mustang Eleanor is set to make its grand comeback, and this time, it's bringing some serious muscle. Let's dive into what makes the 2026 Mustang Eleanor so special and why car lovers everywhere are buzzing about this beast of a car. What is the 2026 Ford Mustang Eleanor and why it matters? The 2026 Ford Mustang Eleanor is not just a tribute to the legendary Mustang from Gone in 60 Seconds. It's a full-blown reincarnation, combining modern technology with the raw power and classic looks of the 1967 Mustang. This version takes everything people loved about the original Eleanor and turns it up to 11. Why does this matter? Because it marks a new chapter in Mustang's history, blending heritage with cutting-edge engineering. Fans of both classic cars and modern muscle will find something to love about this reimagined icon. How the 2026 Mustang Eleanor works, explained simply. The 2026 Mustang Eleanor isn't just a cosmetic update. It's a complete overhaul under the hood and across its design, feature and 2026 Ford Mustang Eleanor details. Transmission 10-speed automatic transmission. Performance 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. Exterior design classic Eleanor body kit. Custom front splitter, wide body fenders. Interior digital dashboard, leather upholstery, retro-inspired accents. Special features: active exhaust system, carbon fiber elements, performance brakes. From the modernized body kit to the supercharged V8 engine, this Eleanor has been reborn to deliver more power and performance than ever before. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Why the 2026 Ford Mustang Eleanor is so exciting. What makes the 2026 Mustang Eleanor stand out from other muscle cars is the balance it strikes between the classic and the cutting edge. Here's why it's exciting. Power. With an 800 horsepower supercharged V8 engine, this Mustang delivers some serious speed. The 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds means it can rival some of the fastest cars on the road today. Heritage with a twist. While the car retains its iconic Eleanor look, the modern tweaks like the wide body fenders and active exhaust system add a fresh, aggressive edge. Technology. Inside, you'll find a full digital dashboard, modern infotainment, and tech that wasn't available in the original 1967 model. It's the perfect blend of old-school charm and modern convenience.